call where I want to take off on every duck. And then call that something, give it a name. Best name is takeoff, right? But I always say give it a name so you got a spot that in your brain. In English, you know where you're going.
Fall, it's definitely one of my favorite times of the year. You get everybody coming back from out of town, haven't seen them all year, and everybody's after that opening day feeling. And to be able to see everybody having a good time at camp, telling a few stories, blowing a few duck calls, and sharing a few beers around the campfire, you know, it just starts feeling right again.
Instead of having a spot to hit, and I know it. Now, every duck I'm gonna go right there. He doesn't like that, I see it, I see another. But I'm hitting that spot. I got a spot to hit, and it becomes more scientific.
You know, it's opening weekend, and I'm going to Yellowhouse. That's just the fact of the matter. We get up there, and we round the corner. I'm thinking, boy, there's a pile of them. That fills 99.6 acres, and there had to have been 75 acres worth of pintails and widgeon and some teal. You know, you see the teal buzzing around, and just pintails going ballistic, thinking, boy, we ain't gonna kill nothing. So everybody's just on cloud nine, and for opening day, the perfect weather is either raining or sunny and about a 15-mile-an-hour wind or any kind of wind, just not the conditions we had this year. So we leave the shop, and everybody's hungover but me, and I'm just stressed knowing we're not gonna kill nothing.
Every shot I hope it works.
Is everybody ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Boys, go! Wish we had a big old pile of these. I like killing mallards, but I like killing shovelers just as good.
Aggressive. P-E-A-G-E-R-E-S-S-I-V-E.
Hey, if you can't wear the skirt, don't do the pants. All right?
Yellowhouse is one of those unique spots that anybody would want to hunt out of. Eric's done a really good job of sinking these big pits and these field roads. Being able to drop in with a full kitchen in the back, plenty of room to shoot out of, it's kind of like you got a little house sunken out there. It's just one of those spots that offers everything you need for a perfect hunt.
Frank, AJ, let's go. You done better.
Every day comes a little unplanned. It's gonna be a long time till I change my ways. It's gonna be fun at times, but sometimes you gotta set it up and clean it up.
I like it. Kill 3 of them.
I like an automatic shotgun. There ain't nothing like an automatic shotgun.
Very nice.
Can we kill him?
I like it. Kill 3 of them.
I know, at least I don't like an automatic shotgun.
Very nice. He likes the other taste, the other better. Well, we got the mall bell out here.
We start about September 1st. So when the combine starts going through the field, we start camoing, cutting camo. We have a few corners and WRPs that we harvest all our own camo. So September 1st, we start cleaning, prepping, because we got so much to do. We don't trust a whole lot of other people to do it, so we just kind of gradually dig into it and get going. And we don't have everything flooded by opening day. And ducks go to fresh food. So what we do is, we'll flood a field up, and 3 or 4 days later, it's just got a fresh pile of mallards in it. And we just flood each field up, so we've got fresh food. So once them spots get, ate out, which you can tell they'll leave like that. But that's how we stay in ducks, is flooding stuff up as the ducks need it, and that helps us stay in limits.
That was beautiful.
Kill him up front, kill him. Yeah, that was got in here tight. Woo, tight. Yeah, dude.
Let's go.
Well, they are pretty. Boy, I hate them though.
Fog lifts, I don't know, we shoot 25, 30, 35 ducks. It's mediocre to me, but we had a good time. It's the most ducks I've seen in one field in a long time. I think we got carried away with our pintail whistles that morning. Keith likes to get going. I probably lost my temper and told somebody to shut up and keep their feet quiet. But opening day for us isn't always just a come to Jesus meeting. It's always stressful. Opening day this year was a spectacle in itself.
We worked hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, thousands of pintails a day, and they would always make you think. They'd give you a little glance. You bet your locker, and she'd look over and you're like, man, I might have a chance. You call her, she won't answer. She won't answer, boys, I'm telling you. She's the prettiest girl in school.